Really cool news coming out of this year's Hurricane Conference. Our very own Chief Meteorologist Denis Phillips presented with a special honor here.
Unbelievable. Today he received the Dick Fletcher Media Award for all of his efforts to educate and inform people about hurricanes and helping them get prepared. It is the first time, by the way, this award has gone to a Tampa Bay area meteorologist.
You go, Den. Look at him, smiling ear to ear. Very cool. We're lucky to have you as our calm during the storm right here at ABC Action News.
Of course, and Dennis, that conference just wrapping up down there in West Palm Beach. I gotta say, I had no idea that you own a suit coat.
So many people said that on Facebook. Who's the Joker wearing a jacket? That's not Dennis. Yeah, I had to drag it from far in the closet.